Are you a local business who wants a consistent flow of customers without the high cost of traditional marketing? Here are 3 critical reasons why your business must take advantage of automated email marketing systems to help you get more customers. Number 1. Proven strategy that works. Companies that use email marketing bring in upwards of 400% more revenue annually than businesses that don't. Number 2. Time friendly. Email marketing is one of the easiest marketing strategies to manage. In most cases, once your system is set up, you have to do very little to maintain its effectiveness. Number 3. Low cost. Unlike traditional marketing tactics, email marketing is one of the lowest priced investments you can do for your business. If your business is not yet using automated email marketing systems, then now is the time to do it. We want to help you get started by giving you a free video and report entitled Autopilot Profits for the Local Business. How to bring in a flood of customers quickly, easily and automatically. Simply complete the form on this page and you'll be given instant access to this free information.